These exercises are for the upper cervical spine. In this area right here, right up in here, just at the base of the skull, right up through here, the top of the spine. We call them the bobblehead exercises. They're very effective at reducing scar tissue from old traumas, abnormal postures that are affecting the upper and cervical spine, and restoring normal ranges of motion. The exercises are very specific ranges of motion. Don't worry about getting them perfectly. Do them gently, consistently, persistently. They'll be very effective over time. Obviously, it depends how long the problem's been there and what caused it. These will make getting adjusted to speed up the process much more comfortable, and the adjustments will be more effective as far as allowing you to get better results with your exercises and just working through your normal activities of daily living without having exacerbations. So have fun doing them. Don't worry about getting them perfect. We'll be quizzing you on it.